And I'm going to make sure I get this time the end of my neck in so I can show you that deal with the... All right, we're rolling. So as you can see, Albert, this first dot, and you've got one on top of your neck right here too, is the 3rd fret. We're going to be basing out of the 5th fret, which is the 2nd dot. And we're going to be playing off the 3rd string. The oompah goes like this. Oompah. Both of the, okay? Just like that. Now, if someone says 4 chord, you take that same little riff and you move it to the next higher pitched strings. Right there. Just the strings right next to it. So instead of playing the 3rd and 4th strings, now you're playing the 2nd and 3rd string. 2nd and 3rd string. You got all this very good. And then when we go to that's the 4 chord. When we go to the 5 chord, from this 4 chord, we just move it up 2 frets, and if you notice, that's where the next dot up is. Down to the 4 chord. Back to the 1 chord. Alright, I want you to memorize that. The 1, 4, and the 5 chord bass line, oompah bass. Alright, that's what I want you to work on. And also what we talked about, releasing that left hand to stop the note. And we also talked about the right hand being able to rest stroke, and nothing but rest stroke this next 2 weeks. No free strokes like this kind of stuff, okay? We all like that. Of course, when you hit the bottom string there, the 4th string, there's nothing to rest on, but if you hit enough rest strokes with the other strings, your finger tends to go the same distance and same power. So that's why we train with that, okay? So we're going to go 1, 4 chord, 5 chord, up to the next dot, which is the 7th fret, up 2. So it won't always be the next dot, alright? So let's just think about up 2. In this case, it goes from the 5th, where there's a dot, to the 7th, where there's a dot. But what if we were on the 6th? Then there would be no dot. So we want to think about the 1. There won't be no dots once we go in a different key. There might not be, it might not work out. So we can't think dots as much as, you know, up 2, from the 4 to the 5 chord. Alright? And then back down to the 4 chord, down 2. And then back to the 1 chord. Alright? So I want you to work on that.